Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link EAP610 Outdoor Access Point. If your router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this TP-Link outdoor setup is one of the best solution. The TP-Link EAP610 Outdoor is a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 access point designed for outdoor use, offering fast dual-band speeds, Omada SDN support, and robust weatherproofing for seamless connectivity. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, unbox the TP-Link EAP610. The TP-Link EAP610 Outdoor box includes the access point unit, a passive PO injector with power adapter, mounting kits, pole and wall mount, waterproof rubber seals, and a quick installation guide. Everything you need to install and power the device outdoors is included. Now connect the EAP610 to the PO port on a PO injector or PO switch. Connect the LAN port of the injector/switch to your router. Power the injector/switch using its adapter. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the EAP's LED is steady on. Download TP-Link's EAP Discovery utility from the official website. Run the tool and it will list the EAP and its IP. Log into your router, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Look under DHCP and then Client List. Find a device named EAP610 or similar. Open a browser and type the EAP's IP address into the address bar. Or try http://tplinkEAP.net. Press Enter. You'll reach the login page. Log into the EAP61. The username is admin and the password is admin. You'll be prompted to create a new username and password. Do so and click Apply. Go to Wireless Settings. Configure both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, SSID, Wi-Fi name, and security mode, WPA2/WPA3 recommended. The password is create a strong Wi-Fi password. You can also hide SSID, enable guest network and set transmit power, low, medium, high. Now go to System and then Admin account. Change your admin password, if not done earlier. Set timeout settings, enable HTTPS if needed. After making all changes, click Save. Reboot if prompted. Your TP-Link EAP610 Outdoor is now set up and broadcasting Wi-Fi using the settings you configured. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.